Hi everyone and welcome back to another video, and today I'm making honey wings with buffalo sauce. Buffalo sauce recipe I have already made in my sweet and sour tortilla wrap video, so go and check it. And this is a really quick and easy recipe, so let us get started. So first I took 10 to 12 cleaned and washed wings and dried it with the help of a kitchen towel. Marinate it with half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper and half teaspoon of garlic powder and mix it well. And then take a zipper bag and add 4 tablespoons of flour. You can take even a bowl instead of the zipper bag if you want, and then add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, half teaspoon of white pepper, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon black pepper, and then mix it well and add the wings inside. Then zip it and cut it well so all the flour coat over the wings. And then in a hot oil add the wings one by one and let it fry until it turns golden. When it turns golden, take it out. Then in the buffalo sauce add only 1 drop of sesame oil and mix it well. And then add the wings. You can, if you don't like the buffalo sauce, you can even eat the wings as it is, or else in the buffalo sauce add the wings and cover it all over it. So like that our wings are ready. So I hope you enjoyed my video. So please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and comment down below if any other video you would like me to make. So thank you for watching.